we wait. Just opened the door to my room, put the bags in, and realized I forgot my Lysol. Oh my gosh, I forgot my Lysol. Oh, it's not like me to forget the Lysol. What are we gonna do without Lysol? Putting the bags down, and I'm gonna go look for Lysol and see if they have like a little convenience store. Welcome to Dallas. Okay, I lied. I actually unpacked my suitcase first, and I'll show you. These were the looks I put in on yesterday. My 2 pairs of shoes and my backup booties, my underwear, lounge clothes, sleep clothes. I put my reading material out. That's my work phone. I need to message someone back. And then my tablet, my medication. I'm going to go look for Lysol for these beds. And I'm also going to get food. The look is still what I wore yesterday because we are just picking up on the other side of Texas, the north side. Pearls, Gap tee, Zara blazer. Backier bag is the only purse that I brought. I almost brought my St. Laurent Croc and Boss bag that I wore in Chicago, but you guys, I just thought that my wardrobe needed a color bag, and this color goes perfectly with everything because I brought fall clothes, and this is a fall colored bag to me. And then cut from the cloth jeans from Nordstrom and my Uggs. And that is the look of the day. Oh, these pearls are Tory Burch. Probably one of my favorite things I bought this year. So I also have a water pill I'm going to take because I sometimes swell up on a plane. And I'm trying to stay well this trip. And an allergy pill because my allergies are crap. Oh, here's the room. Mirror. Love it. Desk, TV, chair. Queen bed. Queen bed. Artwork. No artwork. It's very plain in here. No artwork. Very plain. Not like my Chicago hotel at all. This little generic artwork. Their bench. This looks like where men wait for their wives. And this is the bathroom. Put all my goodies out. Rain head, shower head. Something black girls really never use. Let's go eat. let me show you the products that I'm highlighting in this video. It is the Clinique Little Moisture Surge packet. It's all travel size products. And I knew I was going to need to use basically all of these. I've already used this eye cream. And this is the Clinique All About Eyes eye cream. And it was very silky, very moisturizing. I could tell. I really like this texture and how it went on to my under eyes. I'll put it on again in the morning because I use eye cream morning and night. But I really liked how this felt. So I also used this balm. And this is the Clinique Moisture Surge Lip Balm. Very moisturizing. So this is what I'm going to use as a night lip treatment. It is winter. I don't want dry lips. And for my moisturizer, I brought the Olu Henriksen Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizers that I have used for many, many years. This is part of their line basically for night, and it's to even the skin tone, but it is not that moisturizing. So I knew I would use a tried and true. If you guys have been following me for a while, you would have seen when I use this so much, the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. Highly recommend this if you have dry skin. Now, this is actually one that I think works well alone or as a topper. And so I topped it off with that. And I actually used some of this hydrating facial oil as well. I like this facial oil, this rose hip and vitamin E oil. The only issue it has, if you're sensitive, it does have fragrance in it. So if you have sensitive skin and you break out really easily, I do not break out easily, but if you do, then you might want to stay away from fragrance. But I use this oil before my moisturizer. So these are the products I'm highlighting. First impressions, like them all. I found a wipe. They left one sterile wipe, and I guess I'll use that whenever I am inclined to touch the remote control, which is not right now because it is 10:31 p.m. and I am getting in the bed, you guys. I'm so tired. So tomorrow starts at 7 a.m. So I need to wake up around 6:15 to get dressed and everything and go downstairs and just make sure that I'm awake when I go see these people. But there's a networking breakfast at 7 a.m. for the invited guests of this meeting that I'm going to tomorrow. It's by invitation only for some of us in the industry, and we are working on regulations tomorrow. So very important, big day tomorrow. And I need to review my documents again because I'm a new member of this organization, and I want to make sure I'm representing and I'm on my, ish tomorrow. And I just want to thank all of you all. Today was actually the day that I posted the very short video when I presented to the board of directors. And you guys' comments are so sweet. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. If you commented, I just really, this is the real me right here. I just want to really say thank you. Like, it does motivate me. When my sister tells me that I'm her role model, it motivates me. I just feel so blessed to be in this position at this moment. And that's why I always say I just feel like I'm blessed, but I want to be a blessing. I just don't want to hoard my blessings, if that makes sense. So just thank you guys for showing me so much love. It really motivates me to try to be my best when I show up out in the world, where sometimes I'm the only one, I'm the only African American, I'm the only female, I might be the only Southerner, who knows, you know. But I have to show up. I have to show up in excellence, and you all motivate me to do that. You're just, the Girl Boss Beauty community is so good, and I'm so happy that we're growing, and I'm really happy we're growing in with such wonderful people, with wonderful characters and goals for yourselves. Like, this is the tribe, y'all. We're building something special, and I'm so glad that you're a part of it. I'm going to go to bed now because I'm so tired. And if you watched yesterday's vlog, when I prepared for this trip, then you know why I'm tired. I am exhausted. Good night, good people.